What's there to do than to make the best out of this day? This is Mother's Day, May the 11th. Welcome to my channel. My name is Claudine, and today I'm going to walk you through my day, how it went. Let's fold out some clothes. One thing I believe in is making sure I put away this laundry as soon as they're done, because the moment they hit that bucket, trust me, nobody's going to touch them, and I hate to see them like that. Did I tell you that I had breakfast in bed? Yes, thanks to my husband. He got me one of my favorite meals for the day, and we're just going to finish up folding these clothes. Usually I have some music with me, but today I just wanted to keep moving because sometimes music distracts me. I stop to dance, switch channels, and today all we want to do is focus. Focus, focus, focus. Yes. So we're about to get finished with this, and I like putting them away as soon as they're done, just so that's out of the way. Yes, we are done with that. Now let's do a little bit of cleaning of this stove. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, and today's the day to do it because I have the whole day. I put some baking soda on there, some dish soap, and then hot water. Let's go ahead and fill up this steamer with some water. I'm going to link it in my bio or in the comment section so you can go ahead and grab it. It's very handy. It turns on there and then it steams and allows you to utilize it on different surfaces. It also comes with different attachments, different brushes, and you can always switch the attachments based on what your needs are. It has the soft fibers and it also has the rough fibers. So you can go ahead and grab it and you won't regret. Your cleaning will be very easy. Now let's go ahead and clean this. Look at that. It's coming out so easily after soaking it in hot water for about 10 minutes. And I'm like, wait a minute. My friend suggested this and I won't regret it. I then rinsed them and just let them air dry. If you want to grab these containers as well, I'll link them in my bio. Now let's go ahead and scrub this stove. As you can see, it's coming out so easy and very efficient. There's not so much effort to put into this. So if you're looking for some easy ways to do cleaning in your house, you can go ahead and grab this. I'll attach it to my video here. Look at that. Compare the before and after. It looks like a new stove. Now let's go ahead and get these clothes in the dryer. Yes, this is the second load for the day. We're going to go ahead and put them in the dryer, and I'll add in this bounce sheet, which helps with wrinkle prevention as well, and just with making sure the clothes are better out. For the third load, I'm going to put the scent booster, and then I'll add in the clothes and then add in the soap. I also like adding in borax, which helps with loosening the dirt and just making cleaning more efficient. Now let's move on to emptying the sink. I like keeping my sink clean when I'm doing chores in the house. And before I knew it, my kids arrived with some flowers, some gifts, and nothing beats Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Now we are almost finished with the dishes. I decided to do the grills as well, and I cleaned those. And finally, I'm going to put my flowers into the vase. Yes, they look so beautiful. They smell so good. And this usually lasts for at least 1 week. And this is because of this flower food that comes with the packet. Finally, we are outside. The weather was perfect, and we had this moment as a family to work on our small kitchen garden. We have some pepper growing, some dill, some cilantro, and we're going to go ahead and use these containers that I got from Amazon. I'll also link those over here. If you're looking for a way to grow your plants and in something that you can move around. We mixed up the soil, or rather my husband did, and the kids were also here waiting to help. They were very eager to learn and ready to do hands-on. These containers were huge, so we ended up using them to help transport the soil onto the garden over there. If you're joining me, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I upload a video. We're going to go ahead and utilize these holes as well to plant the pepper and just a little bit of other veggies. As you can see, we are all here. The garden looks good. We're just going to add a little extra soil and transplant the pepper and the tomatoes. I believe that's what we worked on that day. And even me, I wasn't just recording. I also worked so hard. As you can see me working on that. I grew up in the farm, yes. And this is one of the things we did with our parents that we lived to remember. And there were some insects, so we went ahead and sprayed some insecticide there to help kill them before we planted anything else. Look at my little girl. She is very handy. And my husband there, the big girl over there as well. And let's see how we transplant this. So we removed the cover, which I believe you can leave in place, but it helps with the roots. And then just dig deep and transplant them. Some of them are still in like more than one piece, so I just went ahead and separated them very, very carefully to ensure the roots were still intact. We continued with all the planting until everything was done. Nothing beats family moments, and if you ask me, one of my love languages, it's quality time, and this includes with my family. Finally, when we were done, we went ahead and watered the plants. So a little bit about this garden: we have some collards, we have some kales, some spinach, and some corn. Finally, we planted some tomatoes and also some pepper. It's time to nourish our body. My little girl didn't want spinach, so she had a strawberry smoothie. We had some spinach. We added in some protein powder and mixed fruits in ours, and we enjoyed that together. So this is me and my girls just enjoying the smoothie while we are hanging out. And next, I had to make some plantains and do a little meal prep for my week ahead. This is ground turkey. I went ahead and browned that, added in onion, mixed green, yellow, and red pepper, seasoned it, and that's it for my day. Thank you so much for joining me. Till next time.